Hello dear students, welcome to the channel of Maths with Episode. Today we are going to see the very simple and short method to solve the linear equations in two variables. Let's see, here we have two equations. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now here if you want to find out the x and y, then see the method here. First of all, let's see how to find out the value of x. So if you want to find out the value of x, then first of all take this variable, this 5, 2, 9 and 4. Now we will do the cross multiplication here. First we will multiply this 5 with 4. So what you will get? 5 multiplied 4, so you will get 20. Now we will do the subtraction, minus. Now we will do the cross multiplication of this 2 multiplied with 9. So 2 multiplied with 9, that will be 18. Now in the denominator we will take these variables, this 8, 5, 3 and 2. Now here we will do the cross multiplication like this. First we will multiply this 3 with 5. See it very carefully. First we will multiply this 3 and 5. So 3 5s are 15, minus, now we will multiply this 8 with 2. So 8 multiplied 2, that will be 16. So you will get, this is 20 minus 18, that is 2 divided by minus 1. So you will get the value of x. Now here if you want to find out the value of y, then put this value of x in any of this equation. For example, if you put this value of x in equation number 2, here you can see this equation number 2 is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. If you want to find out the value of this y, then we can rewrite this equation as 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Here in place of x we will put minus 2. So here we get 2y equal to, this is minus minus plus, so 4 multiplied 3 to the 6, so we get 10. So 2y equal to 10, so we get y equal to 5. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. The more you practice, you can find out this value in your mind directly. Let's see one more problem. Another problem. So apply the same method to find out the value of x. We'll multiply these two first. So 8 multiplied with 3, that will be 24, minus this 17 multiplied with minus 2. So 17 multiplied with minus 2, minus 34. So this minus minus become plus 34. And in the denominator now we will multiply these two first. 7 multiplied with 3, that is 21, minus this 4 multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 8. So minus minus plus 8 here. So this is 24 plus 34, that will be 58, divided by 21 plus 8, that is 29. So 58 divided by 29, so we got x equal to 2. Now put x equal to 2 in any of this equation. For example, if you put in this second equation, here we want to find out the value of y, so we can write from the second equation 2y equal to 7x minus 8. So here in place of x we will put 2. So we will get 7 multiplied with 2, 14 minus 8, that is 6. So we get 2y equal to 6, which implies y equal to 3. So this is the value of y and this is the value of x. Okay, let's see one more problem. Last problem. Try to solve this in your mind. To find out the value of x, first we will multiply this 3 multiplied with 14, that will be 42. Now minus 5 multiplied with minus 2, that is minus 10. So minus minus plus 10. So 14 multiplied with 3, 42 plus 10. So we will get 52. Into the denominator we will multiply these two. First 3 with 3, so it is 9, and here 2 with minus 2, that is minus 4. So 9 minus minus 4, so we will get 9 plus 4, that will be 13. So you will get the answer x. Okay, this is how you can do it in your mind directly. Now put this value in any of this equation. For example, if you put in first equation, and we can rewrite this first equation as 3y equal to 5 minus 2x. Now here in place of x we will put 4, so we will get 5 minus, that will be minus 3, so we will get y equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 4. This is your answer. Let's practice some more problems. Here see, in these equations, if you want to find out the value of x and y, then first of all, what we will do to find out the value of x, we will multiply those two. So here 1 multiply with 4, that is 4, and here this minus 3 multiply with 15, so that will be minus 15. So this is 4 minus minus 15, so minus minus plus, so you will get 4 plus 15, that will be equal to 19, and divided by, now we will multiply this 2 will multiply with this 1, so that is 2 ones are 2, and this 1 will multiply with minus 3, that is minus 3. So 2 minus minus 3, so you will get minus minus plus, so 2 plus 3, that is 5. So you will get x equal to 19 by 5. You can do this calculation in your mind directly. If you solve some of the problem, you will get the ability to solve it in your mind only directly. Now we will put this value of x in any of this equation. For example, if you put in this first equation, here we want to find out the value of y, so we can write here y equal to 5 minus x. Now here in place of x we will put 19 divided by 5. So if you take the LCM, here LCM is 5, so this 5 5s are 25 minus 9, that will be 6 divided by 5. So you will get y equal to 6 divided by 5 and x equal to 19 by 5. Next problem, to find out the value of x, we will multiply this 5 multiplied 4, 20, minus this 12 multiplied with 3, that is 36. So 20 minus 36, that is minus 16, and divided by this 5 5s are 25, minus 3 3s are 9. So 25 minus 9, that is 16. So you get x equal to minus 1. Now to find out the value of y, put the value of x in any of these equations. For example, if you consider the second equation, then here we can write 3y equal to 4 minus 5x. Here in place of x we will put minus 1. So we get this 3y equal to 4 minus 5 into, in place of x we will put minus 1. So minus minus plus. So this is 4 plus 5, that is 9. So 3y equal to 9. So we get y equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So y equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. This is your answer. Let's try to solve these questions on your own. In the first equation, do in your mind. So here we will get 20 multiplied with 4, that is 80, and minus 12 multiplied with 4, that is minus 48. So 80 minus minus 48. So this becomes plus 80 plus 48, that is 128. Now into the denominator, here this 1 multiplied 4, that is 4, and 5 multiplied minus 12, that is minus 16, minus 60. So 4 minus minus plus 60. So 4 plus 60, that is 64. So 128 divided by 64, so you get x equal to 2. Now to find out the value of y, let's see, in this first equation we can write 4y equal to 4 minus 5x. Now here in place of x we will put 2. So if you put 2, then it is 5 multiplied 2, that is 10. So 4 minus 10, so we will get minus 6. So we will get y equal to minus 6 divided by 4, or you can say that is minus 3 by 2. This is our answer. Let's do the practice of last question. Here we get x equal to this 12 multiplied with minus 5, that is minus 60, and this is 3 multiplied with minus 1, that is minus 3. So minus 60 minus minus 3, so minus minus plus 3. So minus 60 plus 3, that is minus 57, and divided by this 2 multiply with minus 5, that is minus 10, and 3 multiply with 3, that is 9. So minus 10 minus 9, so that will be minus 19. So you will get x equal to 3. And now put this value of x in any of this equation. For example, if you put in this second equation, here we will get 3y equal to 12 minus 2x. Here in place of x we will put 3. So this is 3 2 is 6. 12 minus 6, that is 6. So we get 3y equal to 6. So we get y equal to 2. This is our answer, y equal to 2 and x equal to 3. So I hope you get this method clearly. If you don't get it, if you have any doubt, then repeat this video, see it once again. So thank you.